our freshly planted arrangements are always so popular for Mother's Day. We sold hundreds of them last year, so make sure you don't miss out. I thought today it'd be nice to show you them all next to each other so you can get a feel for which would be best for your mum. So starting with the classics, daffodils. It's an early Mother's Day this year. These cute daffodil troughs filled with Tate daffodils have a lovely spring vibe about them. We've also got vintage troughs, again, smaller, perfect for a windowsill. A nice pop of Mother's Day colour there. These are our Mother's Day troughs with a funky purple basket and loads of beautiful pinks and pastels. These are going to be really popular this year, I know they are. Always popular year in, year out, not just for Mother's Day, but spring troughs with a nice collection of flowering plants. These can go outside or inside in a very cool room, and they will flower with long flowering hardy garden plants for really several weeks. And finally, my favourite, especially if you've got a nice spot on the patio, look at the size of these gorgeous planters. These are barrel planters with lots of buds and bulbs and some more height still to come on these. So great gifts here for Mother's Day. Don't delay, get your order booked in so that we can reserve the plants and reserve your delivery slot.